Next, we'll see here sets relations and functions problem. Out of 2000 staff, 48 percentage preferred coffee, 54 percentage tea, 64 percentage cocoa. Out of the total 28 percentage, out of the total 28 percentage use coffee and tea, 32 percentage tea and cocoa, and 30 percentage coffee and cocoa. Only 6 percentage did none of these. Find the number having tea and cocoa but not coffee. And the second part of the question is having only coffee. So I have considered coffee as A, tea as B, and cocoa as C. Coffee amounts to 48 percentage, B amounts to 54 percentage, and C amounts to 64 percentage. 28 percentage used coffee and tea. Coffee A and B means A intersection B is equal to 28 percentage, and B intersection C is 32 percentage, and C intersection A is 30 percentage. Only 6 percentage did none of these. So under universal set it has some 6 percentage left off. We know that the total amounts to 100 percentage. We know that the total amounts to 100 percentage, but we see some 6 percentage doing none of these: coffee, tea, cocoa. They consume neither of these. So how do I denote the 6 percentage? A union B union C the whole dash is equal to 6 percentage. Then what will be A union B union C? It is 100 minus 6 percentage, which is 94 percentage. What is A union B union C formula? A plus B plus C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus C intersection A plus A intersection B intersection C is equal to 94 percentage. Let me fill the values inside. Now 54, sorry, 48 plus 54 plus 64 minus 28 minus 32 minus 30 plus x is equal to 94 percentage. If I solve this, I will get the value of x as 18 percentage. So let me fill this value here. I'm getting the all the three intersections will amount to 18 percentage. Now the question is, what find the number of people having tea and cocoa but not coffee. They should have tea and cocoa, but they should not consume coffee. It means B and C they should consume, they should not consume A. They are asking tea and cocoa but not coffee. B intersection C, but they should not consume coffee, minus A. B intersection C minus A is their question. What is the formula for A minus B? A minus B is equal to A minus A intersection B. So in this case, consider A as B intersection C. So B intersection C, B intersection C minus A minus B is A minus A intersection B. So I've considered A as B intersection C. Now what we have to do, B intersection C minus A is A minus A intersection B intersection C. Okay. So B intersection C is 32 percentage minus A intersection B intersection C is 18 percentage. 32 percentage minus 18 percentage is 14 percentage. 32 minus 18 is 14 percentage. So 14 percentage out of 2000 is how much? In 2000 into 0.14 gives you 280 people consume tea and coffee, tea and cocoa, but not coffee. Then what is the portion of having only coffee? Only coffee means which area? Only coffee means only this portion. How do I find only this portion out of coffee? See, I'll draw another diagram for you. I'll draw only the coffee portion. There is only coffee here. In this coffee, there is a certain portion which is intersecting with tea, and there is a certain portion which is intersecting with cocoa. This portion intersects with tea, and this portion intersects with cocoa. The entire circle amounts to 48 percentage on the total. We should find the region. We should find the region. We should find the value of only this shaded region, which means from 48 percentage we should subtract this intersecting portion, and then we should subtract this intersecting portion. When we subtract these two values, it means that this intersecting portion has been subtracted twice wrongly, so we have to add back that. Let's explain again. I'm taking only the coffee portion here. I'm taking only the coffee portion. The coffee amounts to 48 percentage on the total. The coffee amounts to 48 percentage on the total. In coffee, there is some portion which is intersecting with tea, and there is some portion which is intersecting with cocoa. So we have to subtract the portion which is intersecting with tea because we are looking only for coffee. So we have to subtract the intersecting portion. So I'm going to subtract 28 percentage which I am intersecting with tea, and I will subtract 30 percentage which I will intersect with cocoa. So when I subtract 28 percentage, I have subtracted this portion already. Then when I subtract 30 percentage, I'll be subtracting this intersecting portion again. I'll be subtracting this intersecting portion again. See, I have subtracted this portion twice. I have subtracted this portion twice. So I have to add back it. So what I'm going to do is only coffee. Only coffee means C minus C intersection T minus C intersection CO plus C intersection T intersection CO. So I get 48 minus 28 minus 30 plus 18. 48 minus 28 is 20. 20 minus 30 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 18 is 8 percentage. What is the value of 8 percentage on the total 2000 staffs? 2000 into 8 percentage is 160. So 160 people consume only coffee.